Why is putting the module level code into a function and then calling the function is faster in Python? In Alex Martelli's response to making a Python script object-oriented, he mentions that putting module level code into a function and then calling the function is faster in Python. Can someone explain why and whether it's true for all implementations of Python?
This is mostly due to variable lookup. Looking up a variable in the global scope requires a dictionary lookup. In contrast, the compiler determines local names statically and references them by index, so no dictionary lookup is required. Note that in Python 2.x the presence of an exec statement inside a function will deactivate this optimization, since names can't be determined statically anymore. In Python 3.x, exec is a regular function, and as such it isn't allowed to change the variables in the local scope.